to space here and make 3 double crochets. 1, 2. Including this chain 3 part, there are 3 double crochets. Then make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then again another set of 3 double crochet. One, 2, 3. Now a corner is done. Then 5 double crochets into this chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again another 5 double crochets to the next chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 sets of 5 double crochets are done. Then the corner, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then make 3 chains. Then again 3 double crochets. Now 2 corners are done. Then again 5 double crochets into this space, chain 5, and this chain 5 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the corner, 2 corners are done. The third corner, here the third corner, again 5 double crochets, 5 double crochets, and here the final corner, 5 double crochets, 5 double crochets. Now at the end we have to join to the third chain from the beginning 3 chains. So make a slip stitch. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth row is done. Fifth round is done. Then you can, if you want to use another color, you can cut the yarn here after making 1 chain. Cut the yarn. Then you join another color to any space here. then make a knot with the new yarn, and this row is only DCs are there in this row. DCs are there into each of the DCs below, and at the corner 3 DCs, 3 chains and 3 DCs. So here make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. This is the beginning DC. Then make DCs into each of the DCs below. Now into these 3 also you have to make 3 DCs. Then to this chain 3 space you have to make 3 DCs, 1, 2, 3, and make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and another 3 DCs, 1, 2, 3. Now the corner is done. Then again 3 DCs here, one, 2, 3. Then 5, 5, again 3, and the corner. Likewise you have to complete. To each of the DCs in this row you have to add DCs in next row. Here in the corner sometimes this chain, this DC, top of this DC may be hidden, so you have to make it open and add. Always there should be 3 DCs except these 3 DCs. Finally join to the third chain of the beginning 3 chains with a slip stitch. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rounds are finished. Then if you want to smoothen the end, you can make one more single crochet row. So to get the height of a single crochet you can make 1 chain and make 1 single crochet to the same place. Then to each of the DC here make 1 single crochet into each of the DC below. Likewise, you can finish the SC single crochet round up to this point and join with a slip stitch into the first SC here. Okay, now these are the granny crochets with that edge, SC edge. This one also have and single crochet final round. This one also have. So you can have a smooth edges. When you are joining these, you have to have same number of single crochets here in both sides. Then only it will be correct. Okay, thank you.